Hey there, today we're making a warm... Hey there, today we're making a warm, cosy, hearty dish. Sausage and bean bake in a pumpkin bowl. It's a horrible, miserable day, so this will be lovely. Let's chop the pumpkin in half and scoop out the seeds and then get it in the oven. Take the stem off. Cut it in half. Let's scoop out the seeds. You want to spray with a little oil. You want to season with salt and some caraway seeds. Meanwhile, let's get on with the beans. Okay, let's chop up the leek and some carrots out of the garden. Green beans are loaded with vitamins like A, C and K, and they're great for immune function. These jarred red peppers are absolutely gorgeous. Let's slice them into beautiful red ribbons. We want to cut the sausages into bite-sized pieces. We want to brown these off until they're golden. Get the veg in and fry off, making a basic sofrito. You want to toast the spices and help release the aromatics. Cumin and coriander contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Adding some black beans and butter beans. Beans are amazing, they're great for heart health and help regulate blood sugar. Let's add the lovely red peppers in. We want a bit of liquid, let's put some of the bean juice in. Okay, I'm going to crumble in the stock cube. Paprika. It's absolutely lovely, but just be careful with how much you use. Now, a tiny bit of oyster sauce, it's unusual, but it really adds to the flavour. There's a tiny bit, because that's all that's left. The tahini provides healthy fats and plant-based protein. It gives a luxurious creaminess to the dish. Let's get the sausages back in. These sausages are a great way of getting extra flavour into the dish, as they're already seasoned. Look at the colours. You want to spoon these beans into the bowls. That's alright. That's had about 15 minutes. I want to finish off in the serving bowls because I don't want to lose any of the cheesy goodness. Okay, I'll zap some breadcrumbs up. I'm using some dairy-free cheese like that one. Some of these. Put that back in for 15 minutes. Okay, let's get it out. That's warm. Look at it. Let's try and make this hearty dish look a bit pretty.